Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video here at Empty Paradise. So it's super early in the morning, getting ready to take the Porsche out. It's gonna be super loud, nice, good cold start for you here in a minute. But we're actually gonna be going up to Keith's house. We're gonna meet up with him and Michael. We're gonna go on like a pretty good cruise. We're gonna go get breakfast, just kind of chill, hang out. Also, we're gonna pick up Blake Bass on the way. He does some pretty epic edits. Alright guys, so one of the things I usually do is just put this thing in neutral, roll it into the driveway just because it's a lot easier, because I don't want to like start it up inside the garage, have it just shake everything in the house, knock stuff over on bookshelves and whatnot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and push this thing out and then give you a nice good cold start.
Hey, good morning, man.
How's it going?
Good, good.
So we just made it to Keith's house. We're already rolling out. Michael's gonna be up ahead of us. Keith's gonna be leading the pack, but man, his Lamborghini sounds so good. It's a straight pipe V10, so obviously it's gonna sound amazing, but yeah, here we go. All right, so the first breakfast destination was kind of a bust. They have a 2-hour wait time. So we're gonna hit up another place. We're gonna see if, all right, Keith's start up on his Lamborghini. He sounds so good. Yeah, we're gonna head up to another place, get some more rollers, and we'll see you then. Alright guys, so we just got to the other restaurant. The wait's not as long, but this lineup, it's only 3 cars, but looks so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this like video content, especially the rollers with the Gallardo Alfa Romeo. But man, Keith, your car looks and sounds amazing.
That was a fun drive.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I mean, too bad, you know, it was like a 2-hour wait over at Magnolia. I couldn't believe that place was packed.
Yeah, 2 hours.
Yeah, talked to Guy
for breakfast.
It was like 45 minutes. So
I guess not too bad.
Yeah.
Man, this is what I love. Like, you just see these like super awesome cars, and it's just crazy to me that, like, I thought maybe one day when I retire I can afford a car like this, but always work hard, never give up before you even begin. A lot of people will say, oh, I'll never get to that point, but you never know until you actually try. So definitely work hard, and dreams can come true, and a lot sooner than you think. Alright guys, so we just had breakfast, we're hitting the road, and we're going to be taking River Road, which if you've seen some of my older videos, you've seen River Road is very beautiful, really nice scenic route. We're getting a lot of those pops and crackles through like little valleys, so yeah, definitely check this out. Alright guys, so just made it back to the house. It's such a beautiful day. It's like in the mid 70s, but I got the Porsche at home, nice, safe and sound. Blake got some really epic shots. Definitely go check out his social media because some of these rollers on the highway were amazing. So yeah, definitely, like I said, check him out. In the description down below, all of his social media will be down there. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. If you want to see more videos like this or even crazy car content with my car or maybe Keith, Michael, other people, definitely hit that subscribe button. But as always, guys, thank you for watching.
See ya.